Chasing weights is a common problem when using a wheel balancer. If you've ever installed the amount of correction weight a balancer requested, only to have it ask for more weight after a check spin, you've experienced weight chasing. There are a number of simple things that can be done to reduce weight chasing and get a faster, better balance. Here are a few of them. Whenever you suspect the balancer is not performing properly, perform a quick calibration check. Select Tools, and then Quick Calibration Check. The calibration weight is stored on the rear of the balancer. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the cal check. Smart Weight will give you the best possible balance and reduce weight chasing, so make sure it is turned on. Ensure you are installing weights on the correct plane. The weight amounts will turn green, and the balancer will servo the wheel into position for the corresponding weight. Make sure you are using the correct weight amounts. Weight increments are usually stamped on the weights and should match what is shown on the screen. If you don't have the weights shown on the screen, press here and select Alternate Weight Sizes. Verify that you are using ounce or gram weights and that the display is set accordingly. This can be changed by pressing here, as shown. Units should be selected before installing any correction weights to the wheel. Make sure that you are properly entering weight locations into the balancer. When using tape weights, swing the arm downward, like this. Place the roller to the right of where the weights are to be placed and step on the foot pedal. When using clip-on weights, place the data sets like this and press the foot pedal. Use the on-screen animations to verify this is being performed correctly. Make sure you are installing weights in the proper location. The bottom dead center laser designates the position of tape weights. If using a hammerhead system, the overhead lasers will show where to apply clip-on weights. If hammerhead is not being used, clip-on weights should be installed at top dead center. Verify that there is no water or debris in the tire. This moving material acts just like a wheel weight, moving around inside the tire. If necessary, remove the tire from the rim and remove any debris or water. Always maximize plane separation when using tape weights. This is done by putting the inboard weight as far to the inner edge of the rim as possible, and the outboard weight as close to the spokes as possible. This also allows the balancer to give the most accurate balance and to use the least amount of correction weight. Keep your work area clean and ensure no balance weights are lodged under the balancer. Weights stuck under the balancer can cause weight chasing and inaccurate balancing. Check for wheel slippage. This is a very common cause of weight chasing. To check for this, mark the inside of the wheel and spindle like this. Spin the assembly and verify that the marks did not move relative to each other. If they moved, here are a few simple things to look for. Ensure the wing nut is properly tightened like this. Dry, dirty spindle threads can reduce clamping force and cause the wheel to slip. This can be prevented by periodically cleaning and lubricating the balancer shaft. To remove debris, select Clean Spindle Threads. After the shaft is clean, Apply a light lubricant, such as Superlube by Loctite, to the shaft. Apply the lubricant to the threads only. Make sure no lube is applied to the faceplate of the hub. The hub face should be kept free of lubricants and cleaned often. Verify your wing nut and clamp cup are in good condition. Check the rubber sleeve on the clamp cup and that the thrust bearing turns smoothly. Verify that the wing nut threads are in good condition and are clean. When using a flange plate, verify that the pressure ring is installed on the wing nut. If these suggestions don't resolve your problem, contact your Hunter service representative to have the machine checked.